Making your own non-slip socks is easy and allows you to customize the color and pattern. Start by tracing your feet onto cardboard or using flip-flops as templates. Cut out the cardboard feet and insert them into your socks, ensuring the toe seam is stretched across the toes on the cardboard. Use puffy paint to draw dots or lines on solid colored socks, covering the sole evenly in a grid-like pattern. If desired, draw pictures or outline existing patterns with puffy paint. Let the socks dry for up to 24 hours before removing the cardboard inserts. Wait 72 hours before washing the socks, and avoid using a dryer. This method can also be used on crochet or knit socks and slippers. Trace your foot onto the paper to create a template, then use it to cut out two identical felt soles. Lay strips of masking tape across the soles and paint the exposed felt with 4 layers of dimensional fabric paint. Let the paint dry completely before sewing the felt soles to the bottom of your socks or slippers.